Professor John Nash in the movie. What's the actor's name? Russell Crowe. And I don't understand where that idea came from and how does that correspond with me drawing the correlation of finding coordinates between music and art. And it's the whole aspect of the Nash equilibrium. Professor Russell Crowe, the actor, Professor John Nash, was a mathematician, inevitably developing schizophrenia, pareidolia, hallucination, illusions, psychosis. And to follow me down the rabbit hole, Alice in Wonderland, Morpheus, Neo, Trinity, schizophrenia. So basically, Professor John Nash came up with this whole Nash equilibrium, they call it. He called it governing dynamics. Governing dynamics is basically, I think it's called game theory in economics. And his whole idea of Nash equilibrium, governing dynamics, was sort of like a paradigm shift in economics. And what I find fascinating with John Nash formula was it was really a metaphor. It was actually an analogy. Metaphor and analogies are